Did you know that over 70% of adults are actively looking for ways to earn extra income from home? It's true. And today, I'm going to teach you how to start a $500 side hustle right from your smartphone. Let's dive in. The beauty of technology today is that it allows us incredible flexibility. You can start generating income just with a few taps on your phone, whether you're sitting on your couch, at a coffee shop, or even waiting in a parking lot. Your next income stream is at your fingertips. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I start? What about the challenges like lack of time or the need for a big initial investment? Well, that's the best part. Many side hustles don't require much to start. Take dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or even online tutoring. Each of these can be managed directly from your phone and doesn't demand much capital. Imagine starting a business with as little as $500. That's totally doable. Let's focus on one idea: online tutoring. With just your phone, you can help students from around the world in subjects you're passionate about. It requires minimal investment but has vast potential for growth and income. So why start a side hustle from your phone? It's simple, it's flexible, it's in your control, and it's efficient. With just minimal resources, you can get the ball rolling and watch as your side income grows. Remember, the hardest part is starting, but you've got this. Why not give it a shot? If you have questions or want to share your journey, drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights on making money easily. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in your new side hustle.